Functions of language. Language function is used as a tool of communication. People use language in order to fulfill a purpose. Each purpose can be known as a language function. There are two types of functions: microfunctions, used at a more individual level, and macrofunctions, used at a larger scale in society levels. Microfunctions. The physiological function is used to express feelings and emotions. For example, in the case of an argument. The communicative function is used for the purpose of communication. For example, you can send an email and express emotions or a request. The identifying function is used to identify people, places, and objects. For example, in the sentence, Peter went to school, we can easily identify the person, Peter, and the place, school. Reasoning is the function used to promote critical thinking through questioning. For example, what makes a good teacher? The recording function is used for saving information. You can see it in written or oral form. The emphatic function is used in daily conversations like greetings, and it has to do with sociability. The pleasure function has to do with the combination of words with the goal of giving pleasure, like with music. Macrofunctions. The ideational function has to do with the creation and sharing of ideas and thoughts, for example, in a politician's speech. The interpersonal function is used to exchange personal experiences, for example, in social media chats. The textual function is a cohesive and coherent speech that can be written or oral. Usually, for example, we can find it in textbooks. The poetic function manipulates the language in creative ways, playing with the words, for example, in poems. The informational function has the goal of communicating facts in the form of advice, opinions, requests, also about giving and receiving information. The expressive function is used to express emotions and feelings. For example, we use the word wow when something is surprising or amazing to us. The directive function has to do with the use of commands in order to influence behavior. For example, you can ask somebody to do something or give directions. The aesthetic function, similar to the poetic one, is used to describe beauty. The referential function is used to describe the condition of an action or a situation. For example, the ball is black and white. Thank you for watching.